Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be a little different. So the other day I was watching Eric's new video, and while watching it, he mentioned this.
We here, Micro Center. We're about to go in to build him a $200 PC.
Yep. So after seeing that, I decided to take a challenge. I'm going to try to build a $200 PC. Will it be a good PC? Probably not. But I'm up for a challenge and to see what I can do with my skills. I'm going to be taking parts off of Facebook, Micro Center, and even my friends. So stick around for that. But anyways, enjoy me trying. If there's any parts I could have used differently or just things like that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, enjoy the video. Bye bye.
You gotta clean it with alcohol.
Boy, is this alcohol? Acting like a kid is alcohol.
Sure. Hello.
What's good?
Would you do 40?
45-minute chicken Big Mac.
Find some sneakers so I can wear to school and impress this girl. So we're gonna try to find
45-minute chicken Big Mac.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now, fuck.
Huh?
Thank you, sir. Now you got the best PC parts in that outlet.
Bruh.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now you have the best PC parts in Atlanta. Let me know if you need anything else. Come back soon.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, bro, I gotta cut that out.
Yo, get the fuck out of my house now.
Oh, okay.
The guard dog is about to eat you.
Oh my god. Bum ass traffic.
Huh?
I appreciate you, man. Alright. And I can send you the 25, yes sir. The reason I'm buying this is because I'm building a PC for my cousin. It's like kind of like a budget build.
Yeah.
There you go. I said 25, but I'll wait to make sure it goes through. They already go through?
I got it, yeah.
Alright. Appreciate you, bro. You as well, man. Doing good, man. Thank you. This is power supply right here. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you for meeting me up at like a short notice.
It's fine. Live nearby, so
Hmm.
not a big deal.
I just sent it right now, and then I'll wait till it gets to your account
Yeah,
to make
you
sure
got
you got
it.
it. Got it?
Have it.
Thank
Yes.
you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take care.
Alright, we got the storage. 256 gigabytes. Hey everyone. I just wanted to give kind of like an update with all the parts and the prices and everything like that. I have it written down on a napkin because we don't have the budget to afford paper right now.
Bruh.
I got this off Jeffrey. He's a really good friend of mine, so I've known him for like many years. I just shot him a text, which I'll show up on screen, just asking, hey man, do you have any parts? I think that's the best way for having a budget build, if you have friends into the same hobbies as you. So basically, I also got the graphics card, the GeForce GTX 1650. Here it is right here. Pretty nice. So I got this for 25. So in total, it was 45. The next stop I did go to is Micro Center. I bought this 256 gigabyte SATA SSD for 20 bucks. I could have been more patient with storage for sure. Maybe I could have bought one for like 10 bucks. Next thing I got was the RAM. I got this off Facebook. The dude originally wanted 40, but I was able to talk my way down, be able to cop it for 25. Market around these for use is 25. I think I could have gotten cheaper for this 100% and maybe use the other money for something else. The best thing that I think we got in for sure was the B450. It was originally priced at 60 on Facebook, but I was able to talk my way down to 50, and I tried to act nonchalant, but then it backfired. It was hard for me for sure looking for a motherboard. A brand new one was for 70. I didn't really want to pay 70 for one. So I just shot him back saying like, yo, I'll give you 60. Because for this budget build, it's literally like every $5, every $10 counts. He was able to drop it down to 50 if I met him where he wanted to be at. But when I got there, I explained my situation and he was willing to do 40 for me, which I do appreciate. So last thing that we got is our power supply. To be quiet, 500 watts, gold rated. I paid 25 for it. The original listing was for 30, so I didn't really negotiate that much. I think for this, it was an okay cop. I for sure think I could have gotten cheaper on the storage, the RAM. Everything else I think was fair or a really good price for what it was. The last thing that I don't have right now is a PC case. I was supposed to meet up with somebody today, but he texted me saying that his girlfriend's in the ER, so I'm not gonna be a dickhead and kind of be like, yo, I need this case today. So I'm just gonna wait patiently for him because the case is really good. I'll pop up a picture of the one I've got. The dude said he'll do 30 for me, so I'll just wait on him and hopefully we can get that case. If not, I'll probably edit this part out and get a different case. Oh, excuse me. Wow. I'm at a random racetrack up in Duluth. I got the case right here. Looks drippy. It's a little dusty, but it ain't too bad. I'll show on screen that I paid 30, but yeah, I'm happy about this pickup.
Hi, Glenn. Hey, will you sign a petition?
Bruh. Yeah, I got the RAM in, and RAM is honestly the easiest thing you could do. It's kind of hard to record this shit because I don't got a cameraman. I'm kind of a one-man army right now, as you can tell. So what I did, went ahead and cleaned it, made sure everything was good. Obviously gotta install the CPU cooler, so went ahead, add some thermal paste. I did the dot method. I know some people use the X method. Doing good so far. I got it mounted, put the heat shield on the back already. So I got all my screws in. Alright, I just screwed everything back on. Made this look clean, put the graphics card in. Everything's surprisingly going well. And I'm having a lot of fun building this. Like, I don't know, bro. This was supposed to be like kind of like a headache video or like, bro, like fuck this challenge or something like that. But I'm generally having fun building this. All right, went ahead, put some screws in here to secure the power supply. I'm not looking forward to this. I think I can knock this out in 1 hour.
Eventually.
It's been officially like an hour and 20 minutes, but I think I have everything connected. This should power on. Let's see. Oh! I cooked! No, that's actually crazy. I actually cooked. I was expecting it not to turn on. I got the front fan spinning. I got the CPU spinning. I got the back fan spinning. GPU spinning. I got everything put back together. So I put the glass back on. I put the back piece back on. I'm very happy how this PC came out. I can't even lie to you. 10 out of 10 would do it again for sure. Right now I'm launching a benchmark test, and I'm also curious just to see like how this PC stacks against other PCs. Alright, so here's the results for the benchmark test. We got a 22% in gaming, a 77% desktop, and for workstation 21. Just to show you guys, here's the parts that I use throughout the video, just to tell you guys that I'm not lying. Here's the PC right here as well. So I think it's a success.